And these are the ones that I'm changing to. Hopefully I don't have to return them, because that would really stink. Hey Jim, what are you doing down there?
My wife's got these brand new wonderful rock sliders that connect to the body, and there's 6 body bolt mounts, bolts that we have to get out, and this one broke. So I'm going to try drilling it out because there's no access to it other than cutting a hole right here to get to the top of the nut. So we'll let you know how this process goes. The drilling out is a wish and a prayer.
I'm wishing. So how's it going now?
Well, we got a hole through the bolt that's broken off in the nut. We had a drill probably about not that much, but at least we got a starter hole, so now we can start going to bigger drill bits.
So then what happens once you get the hole the size that you need it to be?
Then I'm going to hope a tap will knock out the rest of the shavings as I slowly try to tap it out. Then I can put the bolt in.
Did you watch a YouTube video to do this?
No.
Did you seek professional help?
I'm old enough to be smart enough.
No,
I'm not, because I let my wife buy a Jeep.
2 Jeeps.
2 Jeeps.
Did you consult with an off-road professional?
Kind of. Now my problem is, am I going to have enough drill length?
Go for the hardware stores first.
As you can see, I'm using the black drill bits because they're harder. Because this bolt is harder.
Hopefully I don't have to return them, because that would really stink, since the FedEx box guy didn't even drive down the driveway. We got some helpers here. Nicely packaged. There's Axel. Here's our Jeep guy, right? Axel? Say hi, Axel.
The body mounts are made of 3/8 material. The tubes are all hard material.
First side is going on.
We hope. Your body bolts are catching even when you're... What body bolts? There's no body bolts.
Those 2.
The press seam bolts?
Yeah.
We're gonna try it again. All things Jeep. The bolt holes are not lining up.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's supposed to be up close to the body. You're
Yep, I was right.
Ian Hagel comes through.
Yeah.
I was looking at it. I'm like, that sticks out kind of far.
Hold on. I got these in.
All right, this one is going to have to be drilled out a little bit. Remember what they said
Yep.
in that video?
They might have to draw out a little bit. Hold on.
Sometimes you just gotta whack it.
Yep, all good.
Now we're gonna get ready for the other side. Then I think we need to take the doors off. Go for a ride. All right, how's that feel getting out? You got a place to put your foot?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not as big as before, but still got a place.
Axel, you gonna get in? Yeah?
Actually,
Look at him. He loves the Jeeps.
Maxie, what are you doing? What?
No. Well, we got 2 different styles of
Walk all the way around.
rock sliders in our shipment. Angle up and an angle down. And so now we have to call the company that we got it from and make our complaint and wait for another one to be sent. Wow, there's always something going on with these Jeeps. Stay tuned and we will keep you posted. Thanks for watching.